Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable the Steam overlay. So, let's get started. Open your Steam library. Navigate to your library tab. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Then, look for the in-game tab and open it. Locate the overlay shortcut keys option. Press the key or any key combination you'd like to bind for enabling or disabling the overlay. In my case, I'll just leave mine as the default setting. Now, click Confirm to save your changes. To test the overlay in the game, close the Settings tab and start any game you want to play. Once in the game, the overlay should appear on the screen. Next, press Shift plus Tab or the key combination you set to enable or disable the overlay. So, that's how to enable and disable Steam overlay. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.